So when it comes to true, true returns logical value true. And when it comes to false, false return logical value false. So let's do the two together. Let's use the two together. Just we've been having. So let's quickly use the two together. These are built-in logical constants. So you can actually have either true or false. So in some part, you know, in some part of data analytics, we have what we call data types, especially when you're dealing with Python. So in Python, we have what we call data types, and others. Even here, we have what we call data types. So, well, their names vary. Like Python, we have what we call strings. Now, strings deals with text, so it represents text. Int deals with integer, while we have what we call floats. Floats deals with real numbers. We have what we call complex, and we have more others. And now, what we want to talk about is Boolean. Now, Booleans are either true or false. Now, that is Boolean. So, Booleans are inbuilt logical. Now, Booleans are inbuilt according to what we have. Sorry, Booleans are inbuilt logical constant. Now, let's quickly work on the two logical constants. That is this true and false. So, let's say sorry, if if into bracket, then let's do our logical constant. If D2 is greater than 50. So we've been using this, we'll continue using it. Then return true. Then the true has to be in capital and no quotation. Understand that? Or return false. So you can see this is different from the way we write others. When we write some, we'll put it in quotation. So those that we put in quotations are what we call strings. Now, when it comes to logical constants, we don't put them into brackets, because once you put them into into quotation, you've changed their work from being logical constant to strings. You have changed them from boolean to strings. So now, what we are saying now, if d2 is greater than 50, they will return true or return false. So now it return false. That is to say, it is not. So if you check others, you will see it will return